Well, Donald Trump has claimed victory in the 2024 U.S. presidential race, securing crucial swing states like Wisconsin, North Carolina and Georgia, with American media projecting him above the halfway mark. His win sparked an immediate rally in markets, particularly among pro-business sectors and technology stocks, with notable support from figures like Elon Musk, who has long backed Trump's agenda. Following Trump's projected win, the U.S. dollar surged alongside Treasury yields, and Bitcoin soared past 75,000 US dollars, reflecting optimism among investors who see Trump as a pro-crypto and deregulation champion. Stocks tied to Trump's economic policies, such as those in the energy, defense and tech sectors, also gained. Futures on major US stock indices pointed sharply higher as markets anticipated tax cuts, deregulation and a more isolationist trade policy that could reshape global dynamics. In the coming weeks, Trump's potential policies, such as increased tariffs on China and a more aggressive stance on trade, could introduce volatility in global markets, particularly in Asia. Countries heavily reliant on U.S. trade relationships, such as Japan and China, will be closely watching his next moves. His economic policies are expected to boost American corporate profits, but at the risk of stoking inflation and potentially heightening tensions with key trading partners. Looking ahead, the impact of a Trump administration could shape global markets for the next 4 years. While U.S. markets may benefit from reduced regulation and tax cuts, international markets will need to adjust to a more protectionist trade landscape in the U.S. This shift could lead to market swings as businesses and governments adapt to Trump's bold economic visions. And talking about markets, let's see how they are reacting to Donald Trump claiming victory in the U.S. presidential elections. In Asia, Japan's Nikkei is leading gains as experts place recovery hopes on Japan's reliance on U.S. economic direction. India also registered gains, with Sensex jumping over 900 points. Meanwhile, Hong Kong's Hang Seng is down, with concerns that potential tariffs on Chinese firms could pressure earnings for those listed in Hong Kong. Australia's main indices are also reflecting upbeat sentiments following Wall Street's gains. In currencies, the US dollar soared to mark its biggest jump since the COVID-led rally in March 2020. This led to a slump, especially for Mexican peso, Chinese yuan, other emerging market currencies, including the rupee, to a fresh record low. Global investors are focused on potential shifts in US trade, tax and economic policies that could impact Asian markets. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.